Today we are going to do oven roasted vegetables as a healthy dish. First of all, let's buy your favorite vegetables, carefully wash them and cut them down. Now put baking paper on the baking sheet and arrange the chopped vegetables. I highly recommend cutting them into equal pieces. Today I'm going to roast the following vegetables: tomatoes, zucchini, yellow peppers, red onions, potatoes, and red peppers. On top of the chopped vegetables, let's add a little bit of olive oil. I used around 3 small teaspoons. Then add salt, add the dried garlic, then grind black pepper, dried rosemary, and also the dried basil. With this, we can now roast our veggies at around 230 Celsius degree or 450 Fahrenheit degrees for about 30 minutes. After a little bit of waiting, we can now put the roasted vegetables on our plate, and once it cools down, we can enjoy our healthy meal.